Hi guys! So for today's video, we're here sa may Angkla, here in Nakpan Beach in El Nido. Sobrang bongga ng lugar nito. Tignan nyo naman, pa-entrance pa lang, napaka-bongga na. Ang ganda-ganda dito, sobrang serene and very cozy ng place. So this will be our last night and last dinner here in El Nido. Angkla Beach Club is actually one of the best boutique resorts here in El Nido. I think their standard room here is 24,000. So, medyo pricey lang talaga. And then, we decided to settle here dito sa restaurant. So, ayan, akala namin late na kami. Kasi akala namin ang last order is 8 p.m. And then, we found out na 8:45 pala, nagmadali pa kami. Pero good thing, kasi ang konti lang ng tao dito. So, perfect sa awarding na gaganapin later. And by the way, ang babait din ng mga staffs nila dito. Very accommodating. And of course, attentive sila. So, currently, we are with our FX Robot Empire family. So, yan yung mga boys namin, diba? Ang popogi. At ang titikas, oh. Tignan nyo naman. Pero, syempre, ang pinaka-pogi dyan, ang aking asawa. Sino pa nga ba, diba? Syempre, asawa ko yan, eh. Kahit di mag-posing yan, kahit di tumingin yan, oh. Titingin yan. Oy, tumingin. Diba, pogi? Eh, syempre, di tayo magpapahuli. Kailangan maganda rin ako. Ayan. So, I hope sana maraming madagdagan ng mga girls sa FX Robot Empire para girl power tayo. Hindi lang pang lalaki ang order. So, by the way, dito sa Angkla, they have an outdoor pool. Gabi lang ngayon, pero this is very stunning beachfront na merong live acoustic band. And ang galing-galing ni ate dyan. Pero pagdating namin kasi, patapos na yung set niya eh. So, kung medyo maliwaliwanag lang, you will see from here yung beach ng Nakpan. Grabe, sobrang absolutely spectacular. So, we wouldn't waste this opportunity. Of course, kailangan namin ng pang TikTok ni Hergie. Ayan. Lambing-lambingan kunwari. Tapos mamaya mag-aaway din yan. So, finally, dumating na po yung food. Sa Angkla, make sure to try this soup. Parang seafood soup siya. Basta solid ang sarap niya. And then, we ate this nachos. Sakto lang. Nothing special about this nachos. And then, we also ate this chicken. Sorry, hindi ko maalala kung anong mga pangalan ng mga food na to. Pero this one is chicken. Sakto lang din, like 8 out of 10. And then we also ate this big lobster. Ito guys, you should try this. 10 out of 10 to, super sarap. Fresh na fresh. And then we also ate salmon. I think this is baked salmon. So, okay naman, masarap. 9 out of 10 for me. So, I think for her, 10 out of 10 yung kinakain niya kasi nag-i-enjoy siya. Kinakamay pa, o diba? Sobrang sarap kumain yan. Kahit nahihilo-hilo na, blood na dun sa lobster. So, this is our FX Robot Empire family. So, several times kasama ko na mag-travel si Ma'am Cathy and Sir Edsa. We went to Singapore, na nag-F1 kami, and we also went to Dubai nung nanood naman kami ng World Cup. And then the rest, nakasama ko naman sa Boracay. O diba, ang sarap-sarap maging parte ng family na to kasi you get to travel a lot for free, ha? So, for those people who wanted to meet their financial freedom and travel the world na hindi nabubutas ang bulsa, I really suggest na i-explore yung forex trading kasi there is so much opportunity for you guys if you will join our team. Next quarter, napunta kaming Balisin eh. Doon sobrang excited ako guys. Kasi not everyone can go to Balisin unless you're a member. By the way guys, hindi super mahal yung wine nila dito and sobrang sarap. If you will visit Angkla, mag-wine kayo guys. And then for our next agenda, yan, awarding na kami. Actually, maraming kulang sa amin. Supposedly, nasa around 20 kami. Apparently, maraming hindi nakasama due to their personal reasons. So, for our top 10, Sir Mark. And then for our top 9, of course, ang nag-iisang matalinghagang aking asawa, yung Sir Fuji. Actually, hindi niya expected na magiging kasama siya sa top 9. Pero thankfully, na-influence ko naman siya sa forex trading. Kasi kahit busy siya sa kanyang mga trainings, and marami siya pinagkakaabalahan like fishing, hunting, whatever na gusto niya sa buhay, kumikita pa rin siya ng pera through trading and affiliate forex. O diba, san ka pa? Kaya na-enjoy niya na rin sa forex. So, for our top 7, si Ma'am Julie, of course. So, kung gusto ng jowa, ayan si Ma'am Julie. Napakahusay na trader din yan. I'm not sure if top 6 or top 5 si Francis as one of the leaders under my team. Dati ang kulit-kulit lang yan, gusto niya mag-affiliate. Before, di ko pa pinapayagan yung mga iba na mag-affiliate. Pero si Francis is one of those people na very determined na mag-affiliate sa forex. That is why, meron siya resulta. And he has been consistent on the top. I really hope na marami pa maging katulad ni Francis under my team. So, message nyo lang if you want to be like him. For our top 3, of course, Sir Eman. Sobrang daming copier din yan and Dodi yan when it comes to manual trading. He's also our trainer of FX Robot Empire. And lastly, I didn't expect this. Grabe, top 1 ako. Kaya I'm really glad na I was given this opportunity. Grabe, naiyak-iyak pa. I promise to do my best. And pagpapatuloy ko pa ang pagiging number 1. So cheers to more travels with you, FX Robot Empire!